Hello, I'm Falco from Ortlieb. Today I'll present to you our new backpack, Atrack. Atrack is not a typical backpack. This is obvious, as you see it is lying in front of me, not standing, and I can easily pack and unpack it. This backpack is a combination of an outdoor backpack and a duffel. The Atrack defines a new category called active travel. What makes it an outdoor backpack? Definitely the carrying system. It's adjustable and breathable, providing good ventilation. You also have a device for a hydration system. And what makes it a duffel? A very wide and direct access to the main compartment. Therefore, Atrack is perfect for short trips. And once you arrive at your destination, it is ideal for hiking, cycling, or climbing. Atrack is available in 3 sizes: 45, 35 and 25 liters, 2,746, 2,136 or 1,526 cubic inches. As all Ortlieb products, Atrack is waterproof, and with the T-zip zipper it is watertight according to IP67 standard, meaning dustproof and submergible up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Atrack features an innovative closure system. The uniquely positioned T-zip zipper inside the Atrack's back provides unobstructed access to all of your gear. The zipper is fixed with straps at its ends, allowing quick access and opening of the backpack in vertical position. The sleek design and adjustable shoulder straps with stepless length adjustment allow individual adaptation of the backpack to various body sizes, from S to XL. Easy chains on the front serve for fixing accessories. For example, trekking poles, helmet, ski or a snowboard. Atrack is extremely versatile for any kind of outdoor activity. Find more information about our products on our website, Facebook or YouTube channel.